Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're a beginner and you'd like to make money online doing typing jobs, this video is for you. I'm going to show you companies that are hiring and paying people to do typing jobs from the comfort of your home. So if this makes sense to you, you can subscribe to my channel, because every week I'm sharing more videos on how to get started, companies that are hiring, and what you need to do to get approved so that you can start making money online as a freelancer. So we will start with the first company. Okay, so the first company that is looking for transcriptionists, editors, and virtual scribes is called Atrion. Now, one advantage of working for this company is that you'll enjoy flexibility. You'll be able to work at your own convenient time and from anywhere, any location in the world. So apart from that, you'll enjoy technology. You'll also have different types of assignments that you can choose from. Then when it comes to payment, okay, this company promises to pay you every week on a weekly basis, and another advantage is that you will be paid via PayPal. So this is a great method of payment that you can look forward to. So what do you need to apply? You need to fill out the registration form. Let me wait for it to load. You need to prepare your CV or resume. If you are located in the United States or in Canada, the better. If you are not located in the United States or Canada, I will show you a way you can still apply. So once the application area like this one opens, it has now opened, you can choose from general transcriptionist or medical transcriptionist. Okay, if you are just a beginner and you want to do transcription work, you can choose general transcriptionist. So let's go to general transcriptionist. So you see here, you click on apply for the position. So you'll be able to put your first name, last name, email, phone number. Then you submit your resume here. Okay, so if you don't know how to prepare a good resume, I have another video. I will put a link in the description of this video for you to see. Then you choose the type of transcriptionist that you want to do. Is it business, legal, medical, and so on. Then once you complete that, you submit your application. So that's the first company. Then we have another company here called Outsec. Outsec is also hiring transcriptionists. Now if you want to apply, you also be required to fill out the application form here. Okay, so you come, you upload your CV, then you submit your application. This one also pays in pounds. Okay, and you will be paid once in a month. For instance, this one they pay every 15th of the month. Okay, so that is Outsec. Then we have another one here called Ascreepy. Ascreepy is another website. Now you can start earning $5 to $20 per audio hour you transcribe. So if you scroll down here, you will see we are hiring. So you just need to sign up. You sign up, you fill the application form, then you will be paid twice a month. So follow for more videos on how to get approved. I also share details on how you can format your CV properly so that you can get approved quickly. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.